As I started to work with stickers more and more, and even in my work today, I think a lot about language and text, and I use a lot of text, and I write a lot. Writing informs a lot of what I do. So I was really interested in, the sticker seemed like an obvious go-to. I have, not necessarily, I have sort of two types of font I work with. One is a slightly rounded font, like the way these letters are rounded in here. And then the others are more angular, like this one. More hard edge. When you're sort of walking around the city and looking at like graffiti and things, the things I always was really attracted to were the paint drips. So I would cut drips from vinyl. I'll just do a real simple one. That's a drip. And I would leave those and make those in all different colors and sometimes layer them. And I would always have a few in my pocket or in my bag, and when I rode the metro, I would leave paint drips in places from the side vinyl.